Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
General Secretary ka BJP Meghalaya uba wan kitbok pochna Haba Kylli Halor ka Jingkren jong President ka Bharatiya Janata Party Youth Wing Meghalaya uba mewake lingdo pakma hakapor bayakhi ka CJP hajantar mantar Delhi ula Kyntait ban Jubab uba pochna ulaong ba umtip ay Halor kani bat ukermen baginong yalam ka seng kiladep ban kren Halor kani kamat ulaong ru ba umla ban pet yakakam jong kiwei Ulaong ru bakum ka seng san perthei ki di banlong ki bahusyar bat kenturu yakinong yalam ban pet bha yaki rensan social media jongki kaba ki punan kam banlat na ka Jingkren ya ka seng.
And I think so. The matter has also gone to the court, so I will not deliberate much on it. Those who had apprehensions about the way the administration worked, they had gone to the court. I think the matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not functioning because of the hypocrisy of the Congress party.
Let us also discuss what action you have taken about the youth leader who said, shoot the protesters.
See, frankly speaking, I'm not aware of the entire situation, and I'm sure the party must have made certain stands at that point of time. I do not wish to talk more on that. Because I do not see, basically, I do not see.
The person is here.
Is it not the irony that you don't know what has happened in Shillong and you know what has happened in Delhi?
See, what's there on personal accounts of people, I cannot go and monitor, right? So I am not aware and I do not wish to speak anything, but I'm sure the party must have made a statement, so let's stick to that.
The person is already here, even because him.
I do not budge, I don't want to budge onto his personal stuff, so let's.
This is not personal, it is a press conference, we are all here.
See, that's what only I do not know.
But Mr. Jingkren, if you would like to say something, you have the media in front
I think so. That's it. Let's not.
No, he can feel free to speak since.
Let them do on a personal note, and let's not make it a thing. You can do it other time.
Okay.
Let's
If you want him to speak separately.
Yeah, separately, other time, not as of today. I request you because the parliament has to function. Let us concentrate that. Member cares. Personal post which I have not seen, I do not want to comment on that, but right now what is most important is the parliament to function. Let us concentrate on that because the country needs to debate on major issues. This is a small issue.
Students were facing harassment and your own fraternity said, shoot the protesters.
There was nothing like that. The Home Minister was supposed to clarify whatever.
No, I'm saying about
happened.
Shillong. Your fraternity here, one of the members said, shoot the protesters.
I have.
And you are not filing any FIR if it is a fake Facebook post.
I don't know. I think the party has made a statement. So we will
No.
not
Have you
talk
filed
about
an FIR?
I don't know about the case, so I'll not comment.
The member can.
Let's not divert from the topic. So now we'll.
No, it is not diversion. You have to answer this.
You have
The
to.
use of force that the BJP has done in the CJP protest, equally it is very much linked to this subject that you've raised.
I think so. Our party has already made a statement. We had already issued a release. What has happened? So I don't think so. We have to clarify more on that, right? No.
Will the party going forward now ensure that nobody tends to post something that will ruin the party itself?
Yeah, naturally. Actually, as political leaders, we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives, and we request anybody who's holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When
Or how
see,
many
a mobile
seconds?
gets compromised in any way, so
Okay,
I cannot.
how many
Why no
seconds the
FIR
account
was
gets
filed?
hacked?
Huh?
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform, so I think so. That's
For
not
how
something-
many seconds the accounts get
How would you
hacked?
ask? My account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked, I take.
why does that post get deleted?
That I don't see. I'm telling you,
Hackers are favoring
I'm not
BJP.
privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jantan Mantar incident. So what has happened locally? So we are not aware.
So,
and I'm not
hacker
there
is
to
a
follow anybody's.
BJP man.
See, we have so many members of the party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House. Then whatever has been coming out from Meghalaya.
That is a small issue.
See, even the other, see in a protest, even many people has made so many unwanted statements. So let's not go rigging about what has happened. Let us look at what we can do now. Let the parliament function so that, the youth and the future of the country is secure. Provided we have a debate.
That's the only reason. However, how did the BJP react to the recent calling of Congress on the FCRA? Yes,
Let the parliament function, all this will come out. That is what we are requesting. Let the parliament function. Let's not speak on the streets. Let all these issues which are concerning the people's life be debated thoroughly on the House of the People.
Just one